muna natin kung okay.
Yes, yes.
Pwede ba?
Are you okay, X-Team?
Yes po, ma'am. Okay po.
Kaninong motor yon? You okay?
Yes po, kayang-kaya po.
Pwede na tayo huminga! Woo! Gano'ng katagal na ninyong pinaglalaroan ito?
Ma'am, 10 years na po. Yung girls po namin, ma'am, bago lang po. Mga 1 year.
Really, you took my breath away. I was not really breathing the whole time. Nakaka-nervyos yung ginawa nyo. I'm really glad you're okay.
Yeah.
Ayaw naming may mga aksidente dito. Salamat sa Diyos, safe kayo. Okay? My God. Okay, go, Donnie.
Hindi, pati ngayon, parang nagsishake yung buong katawan ko eh. Kasi nung narinig ko pa lang yung engine ng motor, parang na-excite na ako. Siyempre kasi nagmumotor ako, pero hindi yung ganyan ha. Ibang klase yung pagka-extreme nila. Kailangan talaga ng practice. Kaya sa lahat ng nanonood, please, please, please do not try this at home.
Yeah.
These guys, professionals po yung mga yan. Tsaka ilang taon na yan pinapractice. Okay, nandun yung thrill. Siyempre, nandun yung risk. Lahat kami dito, siyempre, at the edge of our seats. But minsan inisip ko, is it for a good reason or not? Kasi grabe yung sport na to. It really takes guts to be here where you guys are. Kaya maraming salamat.
Thank you po, thank you po.
Sir Freddy?
Pinatunayan nyo na maski maliliit ang bikes nyo, kaya nyong gawin yung mga nag-exhibition in different parts of the world. Ang galing-galing nyo.
Thank you po, thank you po.
Kat?
I love the adrenaline. Yeah, I love it. And I hate it too. I love and hate it, but I'm happy you guys are safe. So, ang galing lang ng revelation. Pinakita mo na hindi kami magiging bias sa mga babae also. Pinakita nyo nung ni-reveal nyo sa ending na yung mga babae, mga lalaki, lahat kayo, hindi nag-matter yung gender nyo. You share the same love for the sport. Babae, lalaki, nagawa nyo, na-execute nyo ng tama. So that's also a good idea. Basta extra ingat lang kayo. Thank you for that experience.
Thank you po.
Thank you, judges. It's time for us to vote.
Okay.
We're ready? Okay. Hindi ko man naiintindihan lahat, but I am for variation. I am very open, and you have my respect. It's a yes.
Yes, thank you.
Sir Freddy?
It's, yes.
Yes, Donnie.
Ibang klaseng kaba yung nafe-feel namin. Ibang klaseng entertainment yung binibigay ninyo. At nakikita din namin kung anong pwedeng mangyari kung may konting pagkakamali. So sa akin, hindi na kami nakakapag-focus eh sa mga next tricks nyo eh kung may nangyari. Wala na, parang big X na sa amin yun kung may konting disgrasya, may konting nasira. Ang hirap kasi motor yan, di ba? So it's something we have to also be aware of. But I love the thrill. Gustong-gusto ko na lahat kayo determined to show us na kayang-kayang gawin ng Pinoy yung mga ginagawa ng world-class performers. Pinakita niyo yun sa amin. So for me, it's a yes.
Thank you po, thank you po.
Yeah! Nakangiti na sila!
Thank you for introducing me this sport, and I have the respect for you guys, and I would love to see you again safely. So it's a yes. You got 4 yeses.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you po. Thank you.